if you don't like your neighbor, started to like your neighbor, because neighbor are the rarest thing that one used to get, Okay, I'll let you know how and why. So we always heard that there was a quote even also that keep your enemy closer to yourself rather than rather than being close to your friend, because if you keep closer your enemy, then you will be feel safe, and you'll get to know what will be his another move. Well, if you ask me, our neighbor, they are one type of enemy, but they are not actually the enemy. If you ask me, then neighbor is like a very good friend. If you guys ask me why, then I'll tell you why. You know what? Because we don't know that much of ourselves, but they know everything about ourselves. It's a very good thing in a way for us. It's a plus point for us and also for them, because every now and then they used to come and comment us, like if we go for market, if you go for like if you go out for something, they'll be like, hello, how are you, okay, what's going, what's going. So they'll be like, is everything fine? No, there was some sound, there was some noise came out last night. There was so much of yelling sound from your house. Ask us, so what's cooking? Like what's cooking? What's cooking? It's in a sarcastic way. So we'll be like, no, there's nothing like that. Our mother or whoever she communicate with, they're like, no, there was nothing that much of thing that you are exaggerating that much. It's not like that. Everything is just cool. And thank you for your concern. We'll be like, oh, thank you for your concern. So they know each and everything which is going on our house. I think we will be waiting. When will our time will come? If certain fishy things goes in their house, we will be like, our mothers and our grandmothers are they're on the top pick on certain topics, or in this sort of work. So rather than going and fighting with them, take each and every comment of them in a positive way. Our neighbor are really good. Just we have to learn how to tackle them. If you see, sometime if you are alone at your home and she will come and visit you, she'll give you some food, she'll take care so much that sometimes you feel like she was the one who criticized me. Oh, that's impossible. Like it feel like unbelievable. But she can make a role of both. A good one has a bad one also. But she is the evil. Don't forget that. But you can make a evil into a fairy. So it's on our hand. So make your neighbor as your friend, so that you can get into. So it's beneficial for you and it's beneficial for me. We can reach the toppest level of the success. Trust me, this works. So please take every talk of them in a positive way, and whatever comment or whatever thing that they speak about ourselves, we should take it in a positive way. So she'll play both the role, the negative and the positive, both the one. So it's on you guys how you guys going to take it out, because I have heard so many of my friends coming and saying that so my neighbor had said that. If you ask me, we most of their words and their comments. I think we should be the one how to give a shape of her thought. Like if she commenting bad on us, shape it in a right way. So most of us saying that we should neglect the bad comments and all. So that's good, and some of them are very extreme level also. But when it goes to very much extreme level, at that time we have to take a charge, and not a charge go and have a fight. Every bigger and every smaller fight can end into a very simple and sweet word. A very small word, a very small gesture, a small way of talk with a very small way of talk with people can end it in a smoother way. Just every time we just don't want to get in a violence. So that's what all about this. So make your neighbor as your friend, and if they are getting extreme with you, just neglect it and be a smarter one and just end it up in a smoothly way. So yeah, make your neighbor as your friend. It will be highly beneficial for you guys. That's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day.